how to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom until you see the Help Center option and tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, scroll down again and tap on the Contact Us option. Further, go ahead and select the options related to your query. Start by tapping on the I Need Help with the Snapchat Feature Radio button, and then in the next question, tap on the Memories option. You will then see the option for Still Need Help. Tap on the Yes button beside it. You will then be asked about what do you need help with. Tap on the Using My Eyes Only radio button you see there. You will further be required to fill up the form given to you. So, go ahead and enter your username, email address, and description regarding your query and tap on the Submit button. And with this, Snapchat support team will review your request and help you solve your query accordingly. So, this is how you can recover My Eyes Only deleted pictures. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.